Hi, are you excited? Yes? What are you dressed for? Huh? What are you dressed for? I like your outfit. Oh, you're going to cut the tree. Huh? You're gonna pick a tree, Christmas tree? Yes? Yes? You're excited. Alright, let's go. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, hi.
Hi. Oh, she said hi. So today, what are we doing?
So we're gonna go doing a Christmas cutting with Nala and Celestia. It's the first time. It's our family tradition now that we do Christmas
Tree cutting.
tree cutting because it's easier to dispose. We don't have to keep the plastic anymore. So we've been doing it for a couple of years now.
Yeah.
We're all matching today. Look, oh, Nala and Celestia is matching.
And then me and Mahal is matching.
We're gonna go grab some breakfast first. We're gonna show you one of our favorite coffee area. It's called the Terramia.
It's by Oakland.
It's by Oakland. Hey, okay.
And then we're gonna check out a place that we haven't been to. They have like they sell donut, so I want to try it. And yeah, see if we like it.
All right. We'll see you guys there. Say bye now.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so we're here at Orbit right now, and it's on Oakland too. It's nearby the coffee shop that we went, the Terramia, and we just ordered a donut hole. We're just waiting for it to be ready, and they're mini donuts. So I got a bucket, and we'll show you how it looks like. Here you go, guys. All right, so it's a mini donut. Donut is right there.
It has a little Santa on that.
Huh?
It has a Santa hat.
Oh, he has a Santa, yep.
It's Christmas.
And they give out sauces for it to dip it with.
Chocolate.
And I'm not sure what flavor this is. And you can sprinkle some sprinkles. Okay, there you go. So yeah, here you go. Check out Orbit, guys. So this is a bucket for them, and it costs $16. So it costs $16, guys. $16 plus tax. Alright. She's already eating it.
It's a good pair with
her
coffee. Yep. It's good. Try it. It's worth it.
Gotta try with the sauce. Is that chocolate sauce?
Yeah. It smells like chocolate.
Let's try it. All done.
I love sweet. love donut. I like it when it's warm. It's good with chocolate dip.
So alright guys, so we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go to Half Moon Bay next. We're gonna go pick up some Christmas tree. Alright, peace.
Bye. Alright guys, so we are near the place where we're gonna get our Christmas tree from. It's called the Tree Farm and Village. Ooh. The tree right now, a lot of them are still short, small. But I think as you go a little bit deeper into the place there, I think there's gonna be a lot more tall trees. So we'll take a look at it. Look at that. They decorate this every year. It's pretty nice. So we're entering. We got our baby here.
We got a saw, guys.
Baby number 1, Celeste. Baby number 2, Nala in the back.
We got our saw, guys.
And
Yes.
yep.
This is where I feel like a man.
So you never felt like a man before?
This will plus. This will give me a plus. This.
Bogey points. It's gonna be cold. Well, good thing we brought Celestial her jacket, so I think we're good to go.
Here's your training litter. Hi, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes? Let's go get your tree, okay? Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go pick out some trees.
Let's go.
Yeah, you guys are warming up right there. Ah, baby. What now? You smell something? You smell the tree? Okay. So all size is $73. So make sure to know what tree you're cutting, okay? Because it's $73, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm not cutting this one because some of them is not grown yet. Some of them is too small. Some of them doesn't have enough branches. So just keep walking around until you find one. She's getting heavy. Hey, Celestia, which tree do you want? It's $73. So you want that tree right there?
It's so small.
Oh man. Celestia, what are you choosing?
I think these are like short.
Right there. We could go down there. They have a big sizes over there.
Alright, so let's go. So I got
Hey,
the camera
guys.
this time. My hands were getting tired with Celestial's weight, so we had to switch. So while I have you guys in my arm, let's go look for the perfect Christmas tree. Let's go, Nala. Alright. Let's see.
How about that one over there? To the
Where?
left?
Oh, that one right there, huh? Are we looking at the same thing? Come on, Nala. What do you guys think? You like it? Yay or nay? It's kind of short though.
Oh, it's too small, huh?
It's short.
Okay.
I feel like... How about this one right here, right next to you?
This one.
How about this one, guys? No?
It looks nice.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Perfect.
maganda siya.
Yeah, perfect height for you.
For me.
It's gonna be a little bit lower too, because when you put it in the thing here. You might want to cut it all the way at the bottom.
Do you want to have it trimmed?
Trim on the top or the sides? Yeah, we should. Can they taper it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we should have a trim.
Or the first one, they're gonna trim it anyway.
Which one? Which the first one?
The first one that we saw.
I like this one because it already has a shape,
Oh, it has a shape.
right? Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's a little bit. Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
Okay.
The only thing is like,
It's kind of short, di ba? If I stand next to it.
not at all.
Okay, so it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's good.
I just love Nala's shirt. We got it from Amazon. It's reversible. So, depends on the season. Since it's a holiday season, it's good to switch it to this side. And if it's not, we can switch it the other way. And it's waterproof on the other side, so good for walking your dog out.
Okay guys, here's your trees.
It's tall.
Your tree is right here, baby.
It's not that big. It's skinny, so
Yeah,
it's easier to decorate, you know?
that's good.
Okay. All right,
So let's cut it.
let's cut it.
Basically, I'm gonna lay. Okay, I'm gonna walk there. We got our trees, guys. That wasn't so bad. It was like a couple minutes. Here you go. It's clean cut. All right, so we're gonna have them wrap it and we're gonna tie it on top of our vehicle and we're gonna be on our way. All right, so this is on Half Moon Bay, guys, and sometimes later after Thanksgiving this will be almost empty out, like last year and the year before that. Yeah, so come check it out, Half Moon Bay. All right, see you guys later. Peace. Red-nosed reindeer, guys. Oh, snowman. Oh, okay. So this one. And they have snowman, so I'm gonna check it out.
So this one we can put by the door outside, and we have to check out the other one. Look, that's so cool. It's wood and they just put it together.
Reindeer.
It's like a reindeer. And
You want to check out the snowman?
yeah,
You want this one?
I like that one.
Okay.
Hello.
Look at these two.
Oh.
Yeah. They're just little snowmen.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Yeah, so
I like.
It's the same people that make the reindeer.
Oh, I like the left one. That one.
This one?
Yeah. Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
Oh.
They're both the same price, but
Yeah, which one do you want? Do you want the left one or the right side?
That looks cool, the small one.
you want the small one or the big one?
Do you want the small one, the big one?
You can get the small one. That's
the
fine.
small one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the small
Alright.
one. Thank you. The baby sleeping. It's pretty full. Let's just drink milk. Na-stress siya kanina. Ang init kasi kanina. Kasi usually dito sa Half Moon Bay, malamig dito. Pero today it's just pretty warm. I don't know what the temperature is, but ang init. So, parang na-stress siya na onti, nagkabatbig siya na onti. Oh. It's okay. At least she got to experience it. It was her first time. Both her and Nala's first time. So, and it's definitely won't be the last. Right, baby? Did you like it? No, she's pretty tired, guys. Pahinga na siya. Don't worry, baby. We're gonna go home. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? Be on your bed? Yeah. You wanna go home? See you guys later. Okay, so we're back home and we're just gonna go ahead and move everything around para i-reposition lahat. So, mag-fit yung Christmas tree namin sa corner. So, we're planning to put it in this corner. You guys can see that little corner there. But we're just gonna move the sofa around para may space kami. Okay?
There's a snail, guys. Guys, so we're gonna return it after Christmas. I'm just kidding. Joke lang.
Or are we?
Look what I got for Celestian. She's a reindeer. Look. Yes. This, guys, goes outside the door. So we keep this outside the door. Alright guys, we're almost done. We're putting the ornaments now. So we just wrap up with ribbon stuff and then we'll show you closely later after this. So lucky guys. guys, so we finished decorating the Christmas tree, and we'll show you guys real quick, okay? And then we'll end the vlog after
Yep.
that. First, let's show you Celestia.
She's finally waking.
She was our #1 fan of making the Christmas tree. Right, Celestia?
She got bored, so she fell
Yes.
asleep.
So, alright. So here we go. So that's our Christmas tree, guys. We just picked out the Christmas tree today and put that like a raindrop or ice drop here. So that's pretty much our Christmas tree. There you go. Yeah, we put a barricaded because Nala's gonna eat all those.
It actually looks nice, barricaded, huh?
Yeah,
Looks like you're in
it's like a theme park.
or escape.
We got a snowman made out of wood. Nala, what are you doing? That's a snowman made out of wood right there. Okay. Nutcracker. We got elf. So that's pretty much our vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to leave comment below and press that like button and the bell button too.
Alright, and don't forget to subscribe.
Peace.